What's up, YouTube? Back with another video real quick. So I'm finna make empanadas. I was at my cousin's house and she showed me like, fucking phone about to die. She showed me how to make empanadas. So right now I'm finna get ready to make empanadas. So I'm finna try. So, oh shit. Taisha, let me explain something to y'all. I don't know what's going on, but what I do know is, if y'all don't shut the hell up with all that noise, give me that meat, Tiasia. I don't know what y'all got going on in there, boo-boo. I don't even want to hear it. You get your ass a bath.
She had got that she on the bag because like she ain't got how you chew her with your front teeth. And
Go take a bath so you can go dismiss yourself.
then she said, how can you brush your teeth like that?
I don't want to hear it. Alright, so unfortunately, these goddamn kids get on my nerve. I can't wait to Monday, for real. So a little piece, I'm gonna fry this hamburger a little piece. So I'm gonna make the hamburger because my cousin was like, you know what I'm saying? Do what you like. So I'm gonna try it with the hamburger because my cousin had hamburger and motherfucking, what she had? Hamburger and cheese. My cousin Sierra. So I'm gonna do my shit my own way. You know what I'm saying? So Tiasia, girl, you on the verge of getting smacked, I'm telling you. Damn kids. I'm gonna put rooster salt in my hamburger because I like rooster salt. I don't know about nobody else. And then she said that I can base it however I want to, you know what I'm saying? Like season my chicken the way that I want it to, you know what I'm saying? My hamburger. So I'm gonna season it just like I'm gonna make taco season, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm gonna do it my own way. I'm gonna put a little garlic. I ain't gonna put too much because I gotta put the taco seasoning though. What's wrong with this burner? I'm trying to smoke. On the frying pan. I hate when they do the little smoking thing. So yeah, I'm do it the way I want to do it. I'm gonna season my hamburger for my tacos. And y'all, I just learned how to make this tonight with my cousin. I don't know if it's my frying pan or what, but I'm gonna wipe it off first, right? Cause I just cleaned it. So why is it sticky? That's gonna be my hamburger. Damn, time is going quick. So yeah, all right. So I'm looking for something. I'm gonna fry my cabbage. I can put that much in there. Put this up there. My pan for my hamburger cookie. So I have this, but my cousin told me to use this. And I'll make these. And I'm finna make a lot, y'all. I'm gonna fry them, but I'm just showing y'all like what I'm finna do real quick. Like, let my pan get a little hot because I'm gonna fry my veggies. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm tripping. And I just learned how to make this. My cousin told me to use this. And I'm making empanadas. And I always wonder how I'm gonna use this to flip my empanadas with. How I'm gonna use this to beat my steak. I'm gonna cut that. But yeah, I'm gonna use this to scoop. I always wonder how the hell they make empanadas. Guess what my cousin showed me tonight? Guess what? I'm so happy she showed me. My cousin is not friendly. My cousin Sierra, she not friendly, baby. So she was in a good mood tonight. So guess what? I took it as much as I can. But baby mama do not normally be friendly. She was extra nice and nice. Oh, I got my pan a little hot. I guess I was supposed to pour this in the... Oh, shit. A little this because I don't want it to burn. I'm about to burn the shit. I'm going to find my cabbage in. I'm going to find my cabbage with this. Tasia, open my front door. So, I'm going to pour that in there. I'm going to put a little bit more. Because I ain't really, this is my first time cooking this. I don't know what to do. I'm just going, and she used to put this enough for that. Right? So look. Cabbage, I'm gonna let it do its little thing. Set that bitch on low. I got my hamburger going. I'm gonna do steak too, y'all. I gotta beat my steak up. So yeah, I'm gonna let that cook. I'm gonna let that do its little thing. Cabbage, I got my, because I'm gonna put my taco seasoning in it. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to do this, but oh, y'all know if I got to put in my lemon juice. Y'all know I love lemon juice to kill any type of bacteria. I love me some lemon juice. So it's gonna be like a part 2 of this video, because I'm just gonna fry my meat and stuff right now, and I'm gonna go from there first. You know what I'm saying? 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 Order. Steak too, y'all. I'm gonna let that sit right there. I'm gonna let my little veggies cook down. Put that bitch on low. Yes, it's cooking. That's the cabbage. I hope I got the right one. It looked like it, but let's see. Tasia, come give me my bowl from over there, please. So yeah, this gonna be the hamburger. Give me my bowls, please. My bowls are over there. Open your eyes, look over there. You need some glasses or something? So yeah, y'all, I'm already on 8 minutes and hamburger ain't even good done. Long ass video. I'm gonna put my hamburger in here and I'm gonna put my veggies in here. Alright. And I'm gonna do shrimp because y'all know I love seafood. I don't think I got it right. I probably did. It looked different compared to what my cousin had. But I'm going to season my shit a little bit. A little piece. Not too much. You know what I'm saying? Not too much of seasoning. To your distress. You know what I'm saying? And I got to have salt and pepper. Where my pepper at? Baby. For the first time, you know, practice makes perfect. Yes, practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Anything you do, you must gotta practice it. That's what I'm gonna say. So I'm gonna have like part 2, part 3 of this video. So I'm cooking my hamburger right now. And got my cabbage cooked. And I told y'all I was gonna do seafood too. Cause y'all know I love seafood. I don't know how I'm gonna do the seafood one. So I might put like 3, 4, 5 shrimps in it. But guess what I'm gonna do the do. So my hamburger almost done cooking. I should have brought another frying pan. That's what I should have brought. But that's okay. As y'all see, when this video get like 20 minutes, because it be taking forever to upload that bit. But yeah, I'm gonna cook all the meat real quick. I'm gonna cook my hamburger first, drain my hamburger off, and then Church, I need that small bowl. I'm gonna why I'm letting my bowl fall. I don't want to stick because I got a non-stick.
Can I help with something?
Give me my little thing over there. My bowls. I got a non-sticking pot. So yeah.
1, 2, 3, 2, 1.
Cabbage.
That's
That's a cabbage.
cabbage. And what is that?
Hamburger meat.
What about the steak?
I gotta beat the steak up.
Can I beat it?
I need to cut this thing. That's what you want. This is what you use to beat a
And what are you
steak.
using this for?
The scoop. Because you don't need a lot to put in the egg roll. Look, that's what you need right here. A beater steak. Here.
Can't you use this as ice cream sometimes?
You can too, but who you using that? You need to cut that thing off. So, we're doing the hamburger as you see. I don't know. I'm extra excited because so I said don't be in my in that room making all that dang noise. People is asleep downstairs. Damn hard-headed ass kids. Boy, they get on my nerves. So like I said, it's gonna be like maybe 3 parts to this video. But I ain't trying to make this shit so long because it be so hard, bro, to get the recording down. I'm still trying to learn. Damn, I was supposed to see what type of ring. I was supposed to order a ring light. That's what I was supposed to order. Me a ring light. But that's alright. I'll order it tomorrow. I might order that thing tonight. Ooh, yes, my cabbage looking so good. Ooh, y'all, let me show you what the cabbage looking like. Love everything. Yes, sir. That thing simple a little bit. You know what I'm saying? This I don't know. This was what she got, but this is what I got. So yeah, that's that. Right, 1 piece. So I'm cooking my hamburger, and it might be like 3, 4 parts of this damn video. Sorry about that, but
But the steak is black.
rinse the steak off with cold water. Rinse the steak off with cold water. So yeah, I'm done with the hamburger meat, cooking the hamburger meat. Now I'm finna drain the hamburger meat off. I'm gonna let my cabbage cook a little. But she said I could have did coleslaw. What is this boy finna do with this? You now tuned to the Harris family.
Yup.
And we in here trying to whoop it up.
In the kitchen.
Whoop it in the kitchen.
I'm in the kitchen. Yeah, because I'm in family now. Well, I've been in family, but then.
You've been our family. I've been with your cousin for like 14 years, so.
Well, my mom?
No.
So you've been my cousin for 14 years.
I've been to daddy 14 years.
So you've been my cousin for 14 years.
I've been your cousin, of course. Duh.
But she's my blood cousin.
Huh?
She's my blood.
Tis your cousin? What you think? Ain't Trey your blood cousin?
Yeah.
Ain't that his daughter?
Yeah.
Boy, if you don't get the hell out of here, I'm gonna send these kids back to school so they can know they peoples. Cause she's my cousin. Hell yeah, she your cousin.
Oh, yeah,
All right, you guys, thank y'all for subscribing, liking, It's gonna be like 3 parts to the damn video. Sorry.